Welcome to my first book talk. Today I'll be talking about Where the Water Ends by Rachel Carter. We meet Lydia, a time traveler in this book. She works for a secret agency called The Project. They refer to their agents as recruits. She's a little angry. She's not happy that she's a recruit. She'd like out. There's some romance with one of the other recruits. There's lots of dangerous activities, some assassinations, some sneaky work behind enemy lines. And in the end, Lydia overcomes all of her problems, but has to give up a great deal: her future, her past, and her family. But in the end, I think she's happy about what she did. I recommend this. It's an excellent book to read. It's meant for tweens. It is a romance book and a spy, mystery, exciting, dangerous novel, and worth about 6.5 hours of your time. The next book I'm going to tell you about is Jade Disco Fairy. This is a children's book, chapter book. There are a few hand drawings at the here and there sprinkled around in the chapter book, but it is definitely a children's reader's book. It is number 2 in a series of about 26 books. It took me about an hour to focus and read the book. I don't think it should have taken so long, but I really struggled with paying attention to the storyline. However, I would recommend it for my granddaughters if she was really interested in reading about fairies and fantasy and wanted food for fodder and her play. When I read this book, it made me think of all the times that I've seen young children, grade school children, playing fantasies and running around the yard and pretending to be fairies. And it also has a website that supports it, that you can download printables, and kids can play online games that match the story themes. It's a great book to inspire children in their play and fantasy ideas.